Today you'll take the Daily Oral Language Quiz number 10 for Language Arts. Remember to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. The first section asks you to correct some sentences. Remember, you will only be graded on the sentence that you write. Number 1. Although she searched all over for our books, Sheila don't find mine or her. Number 2. There was an old fragrant rose vine climbing up the side of the Martins' house. Number 3. Sir, would you rather have tea, coffee, or hot chocolate? The server asked. For number 4, you need to circle the abstract noun or nouns in the sentence. German Shepherds are known for their intelligence and loyalty, and they make wonderful pets. For number 5, you need to circle the best word to complete this analogy. The analogy is aliens are to foreign as native is to unchanged, indigenous, concerned, or confusing.